Theme, Research and De-Awareness, Unit, My Reviews, and this is video 4. So we've already done quite a lot on this canvas. We've done a search for a picture and put our picture of our favourite book onto the canvas, and we've also written a review of our favourite book as well. If many of us in the class have done the same, this canvas might start to look quite cluttered. So it might be up to your teacher to decide whether a new canvas is required to do the next task, which is we're going to do something very similar, but instead of reviewing our favourite book, we're going to review our favourite film. So if your teacher has decided to create a new canvas for this task, then you will need to go to the correct web address for the new canvas. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to use the same canvas to do my movie review, and that's something your teacher might decide on as well. So in this example, I'm going to create a movie review on the same canvas. You can see down here at the bottom right that I've got a lot of space on my canvas down at the bottom. You can see that this little white box, as I move it, it moves my canvas as well. So if I move this little white box down to the bottom right hand corner, I've got lots of space here for me to write my movie review. Now before we write our movie review, we're going to actually go and get a video clip of our movie. And to do that, we're going to go to a website called YouTube, which I'm sure that you've seen before. So I'm going to open up a new tab in my web browser, and I'm going to go to youtube.com. YouTube has a search facility at the top where we can search for the name of our favourite movie. So I'm going to type in Elf, that's my favourite movie, and press enter. Now what you might want to do is the best thing to put into your canvas is the trailer for the film, which shows a bit of everything within the film. You can see here that the second link down is the trailer for my movie that I like, which is Elf. Now if you can't find the trailer for your favourite film, you can either add a little clip of your favourite film, or you can change your search and type in the name of your movie followed by the word trailer. You can see that now the trailers actually come at the top of my search, and so I've narrowed down my search to just the trailers for the film Elf. Okay, so I'm now going to click on this link and check that the link works. You can see that the movie is loading and it's playing as well. I've just waited to see whether there's any sound on my movie before I put it over onto my canvas. So you can see that everything's working fine. So what I need to do now is I need to copy this web address up here into my canvas. This web address up here is actually called a Uniform Resource Locator, and we use URL to abbreviate those words, and basically it's just a unique place on the internet where this video is stored. So I'm going to copy this URL by selecting it, right click, copy. I'm then going to go into my Linoit canvas, and instead of clicking on this picture icon, I'm going to click on this film icon here. When I click on the film icon, it'll pop up with a little window and it'll ask me to enter the URL, the Uniform Resource Locator. Like I said, that's the unique place on the internet where this movie exists. It's like its own personal address. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to right click in here, and as long as I've copied that URL from YouTube, I can now paste it into this little box, press post, and now what it will do is it will take that URL and it will embed this trailer into my sticky note. So what I can do from here is people can now access this trailer, press play, and they should be able to play my video or my favorite movie from within Linoit, like this. Pretty cool. What I want you to do once you've done that is the same as we did for the book review. I want you to choose a sticky note, and then I want you to put your initials on that sticky note, and I want you to write your own review for your favourite movie. As you can see, I've written my review, I press post, and then I place my video next to my review.